much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my Rocksbox. So Rocksbox is a jewelry rental subscription. It costs $21 per month and you get 3 items. And you can have a stylist pick out the items for you based on your profile and your wish list. Or you can choose to swap the items and pick exactly what you want from their website. I'm gonna link Rocksbox down below. With that link, you can try your first month for free, no commitments. You have 30 days to try it and decide if you want to continue subscribing or not. So like I said, you get 3 items, and if you choose to, you can purchase any of these items at a discounted price, and that $21 you pay per month, you get to use as credit for any of the items you want to purchase, so that is great. There is free shipping both ways, and you get in this bag, this mailer bag here, which you could reuse to send it back. So they give you like a prepaid label, and then this bag makes it super easy. I'm pretty sure I took a look at what's coming this month, but I don't remember. So you can keep the items for as long as you want, and you just let them know by either purchasing your items or sending them back when you're ready for a new set. So it always comes in this beautiful little jewelry box. And when I open it, there's some cards here, and the jewelry is wrapped up. So the card says, "Hey gorgeous." And on the inside it says what happens next, and then it also shows the pieces and gives the retail price and the member price. And if you choose to buy all 3 items, you will save an additional $10. So let's read what happens next. It says, rock your stylist picks, wear your pieces for as long as you'd like, and if you love it, buy it. Don't want to part with something? Purchase your fave with your monthly $21 membership credit, and then send back for more. Use a prepaid label and reusable envelope to return the remaining set when you're ready for more. So yeah, here's a little sneak peek. If you guys can see, I'm not sure, it's pretty lightly printed there, but I like how they show the pictures. So I typically get all earrings because that's what I like to switch up the most in my jewelry. And each piece comes in its separate jewelry bag. They also give you some information on like proper jewelry care. So let's get started. Well, these are so pretty. The first pair is by Estero. This is what they look like. So this is the Estero Mauve Hoops in Gold, and these have a retail price of $60, but as a member I can purchase these for $51. So yeah, jewelry is expensive, so I think Rocksbox is such a great way to try out items without having to spend big bucks. And also like trends change and stuff like that. I don't think I'm the trendiest person, but I do love trying new things. And I think these hoops are so pretty. So they're gold, and it looks like there's little crystals in the leaves. Love these. Let's move on to the second pair of earrings. So they're all earrings today. There we go here. So they always send them in the bubble wrap so they arrive safely. These are by Sophie Harper, and these are the Sophie Harper Rainbow Huggies in Gold and Opal. And these have a retail price of $55, but as a member of Rocksbox, I can purchase these for $46. You can see there's like rainbow like looking crystals on the side, and then a little opal gem dropping down. Super cute. So these have like a little pop of color, but they're really small. So if you have like a second piercing, they'd be cute there, or I only have one, like, so I'm just gonna wear them on their own. So they're very delicate and pretty, love it. I've seen a lot of rainbow crystals like on jewelry lately. I think that is something that was trending or is trending. Who knows? And then we have another pair here by Estero. Oh, so cute. You can tell I was going for a certain type of earring this month. These are the Estero Fawn earrings in gold, and the retail price of these is $55, but as a member I can purchase them for $46. They're super cute. So they have like little charm here, and then there are some gemstones on the side, hopefully you can see. I really like these. So the retail price subtotal is $170, but as a member, if I want to purchase them all, I'd save $27, and then if you purchase all 3, you save an additional $10. So that is great. I'm trying to think what I like the best. I like them all. I think they're all so cute. You guys have to let me know what pair you like the most down below. I think right now I am going to put on the last pair. I think these are super cute, so you can kind of see how these smaller hoops work. I was curious myself. And you can also see the gemstones on there. So super pretty. I love them. I honestly love all 3 pairs, and you'll probably be seeing me wear these in a lot of my upcoming videos. Again, I would love to hear your feedback on what pair you like the best. And again, if you want to try Rocksbox for free, the link will be down below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing my new jewelry with me. I hope you are all well and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.